Hey everyone, it's Miss Allison and I hope you're having a fantastic day. So the next couple days are going to look just a tiny bit different in English class. The assignments are a little bit confusing, so I want to make sure that you know what we're doing, how we're doing it, and why we're doing it. So let's take a look together at your materials for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday of this week to make it clear, alright? So here we're on Schoology. You'll find the update in this video. Obviously it'll be for Wednesday and Thursday. But here's what we're going to look at. So we're going to our Materials tab. Then under here, you can see we have our work from the past weeks. Your outline, that's going to be key. So you're going to want to open your outline right now. And then once you've opened that outline, we're going into the yellow folder for this week. Okay? So we should have our outline pulled up. Next step is going to be taking the feedback that you got in your outline, and we are now making it a summative. So you got your formative feedback. I gave you that feedback based on whatever you turned in. So that is what is in the gradebook. I made comments, and then you also have a rubric that you can click on in the gradebook that gives you more specific comments. So that's going to be step one. After you've taken a look at that, we're going to go to the Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday folder. There's a reason why we have 3 days this time. And we're going to look here, okay? So my goal for you is to continue to get some feedback and continue to do your best writing before it's a summative. So I'm giving you a little bit of an extension on this one because that's a pretty quick turnaround to get your essay back Wednesday and then have it due Friday. That's really fast. So we are going to be looking at next week as your due date. You'll notice that it says February 2nd. That's Tuesday. I'm giving you 2 extra days to get this done. If you are done sooner, amazing. Turn it in when you're ready, but I know some of you may need just a couple of extra days to get that done, okay? So just know that that's coming for you. So a couple of things we need to know here. The first one is you're going to record yourself reading your essay. So let's take a look at this, your final draft. When you have your outline, you're going to be taking the pieces from your outline and then placing it on this document. This is your final draft. This is what I will be grading as your summative, and this is your final, best work on this essay, okay? So you'll put the information from your outline here, make sure it's color-coded, life is good, things are great, okay? Then, if we go back here on Schoology, like we did before, you're going to read your essay out loud. The reason that we do that is we listen for any final things that we want to change. Oops, I put the word the twice, or this sentence didn't make sense. You're listening for that. This is a grade. So go ahead and make sure you record this. Once you hit record, guys, it does not give you the chance to go back. So be ready when you do that and then record your essay, okay? Once you have done that and you're feeling really good, you can turn in your essay, all right? Then finally, we're going to be doing some peer feedback. Don't touch this until your synchronous session. This is where it's going to live for now, but don't worry about that. We'll be doing some peer feedback in class. So keep this timeline in mind. As you're working on getting things transferred onto your final document, know that you will get peer feedback in class, so you may not be ready to make those final edits and revisions until Friday, and that's okay. I'm giving you a couple extra days next week too, if you want a conference, if you have questions, whatever you need, okay? So hopefully that's helpful. Let me know what questions you have, and happy writing.